This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Irene Best. Welcome to your new lifestyle at Pelican Preserve. This Monet floor plan is offered turnkey with designer furnishings, your very own golf cart and bike. Preserve views and lush landscaping surround the home, all on a very nice size lot. Plenty of room for a pool. Over $100,000 in upgrades including new roof, gutters, 20 by 20 tile, plantation shutters, remodeled eat-in kitchen with 42-inch cabinets, LG stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops and more. AC, water heater and last 3 years. Hurricane impact windows and sliders. Spacious living room with lots of natural sunlight, leading out to lanai, making it perfect for entertaining. The master suite has 2 closets, dual sinks, new quartz counters, remodeled shower. Interior of home was professionally painted last year. Lovely spacious bedroom and remodeled bath for guests. So, get busy living. Drive your golf cart or bike to the newly expanded town center. Pelican Preserve is a premier 55-plus community offering the finest of amenities including pickleball, tennis, classes for all levels, restaurants, movie theater, bocce, resort pools, dog park, and walking trails. Golf is optional. Close to shopping, I-75 and RSW Airport. For more information, review the details below or contact Irene Best at 508-237-5400.